This buddy's in kennel 69, and he has one fat head. Yes, he does. Fat head. Boy. Yes, you're a big boy, aren't you? You sure are. Oh, did you just wink at Auntie? Look at your eye has an owie. What happened, baby? Oh, honey. I'm sorry, honey. Okay, he's a big boy. Ooh, there's the tail wag. Tail wag. Can you smile? Hmm? Smile for Auntie. It's a big head. Yeah. Sit. Come on, sit. Sit. Come on, shake. 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 No? Let me see your eye. Gosh. His whole face is like kind of scarred up a little bit on the sides, on that side. Poor baby. Who did that to Mommy's or Auntie's baby? Huh? That's not nice. Okay, bye, sweetheart.